Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you is it really possible to know who viewed my Facebook profile. So for this, first of all, just open up the Facebook application in your mobile, tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and tap on your profile. Now tap on these three dots and you have to scroll down and you will find this option turn on professional mode. So just tap on it and tap on this turn on. You have to wait a little bit and now your professional mode is turned on. Now if we go back, as you can see the interface is changed little bit. Now tap on this see dashboard, scroll down a little bit and you will find this option professional mode guide. Tap on it. Scroll down a little bit and tap on this insights. Tap on view insights and here you can see all the data. Now here we can only know how many people visited our Facebook profile, but we can't know who visited our profile. So there are lots of YouTube videos that tell we can know who visited our profile, but it's not possible to know who exactly visit your profile. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.